Hello and welcome to Dutchman Seb. You join me here today at the TT Circuit in Assen, that's in the Netherlands, with the Project Del Sol. First time on track, I've got the new D2 coilovers and the new big brake kits installed with the engine modified, race ready and ready to go. Check it out and be sure to hit the thumbs up and definitely subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Give us a comment below if you want to see more track days. Enjoy the video guys, check it out. That's the race setup over there we've got with the race box, and we've got the tire temperature sensors here as well, so hopefully we can get some good specs on track. Everything in here looks good and ready to go. Got the helmet rented, got some nice new stickers with my name so that you can follow me on Instagram as well. Check it out. Be sure to check out Dutchman Seb on Instagram. Be sure to have some good content there on the Instagram channel. That's my racing name. There we go.